In this video, I'll be going over my October YouTube AdSense revenue and analytics for 2023. So let's get started. I mostly had all new viewers watch my videos, which is really cool. And of course, returning viewers I'm super thankful for. And moving down to published content, I published 9 videos and 1 short for the month of October. And most people found my videos through YouTube search, which is really, really cool because I want to have searchable content. And then second is browse features and so on. I'm going to move over to the overview tab because this is probably why you clicked on the video. So my estimated revenue is $216.84, which I am absolutely thrilled about. Views 21.9K, 1,000 watch time hours, and 226 subscribers. Of course, this goes up and down. It doesn't always stay the same, and it definitely depends on what videos I posted and the day, everything like that. And I am pretty happy with how many videos I got to post in October. I think 9 videos is a good amount, and then I do wish I posted more shorts, but I've been so busy lately, I haven't really had as much time to focus on YouTube. And my highest day for revenue is $14.91 on October 6th. And that's most likely because of this income report video. Those tend to do really well. And then it looks like $12.78 on October 16th. I'm not really sure why, but that's pretty cool. I think one of my videos started doing really well potentially then. I'd have to go back and actually deep dive and look into that. But currently, let's scroll down, your top content in this period. So yeah, this is a video I was thinking that potentially kind of took off a little bit. So a realistic first year of Amazon KDP got over 4,000 views, which is really awesome, especially for my channel. And then next was my income report video for KDP, which tend to do really well with over 2,000 views. Then my short, resized Amazon KDP cover, and how to start KDP in 2023. These 2 videos tend to be in the top. And then a mid-October income report video, which is pretty cool. And my view duration for the #1 video here for October, a realistic first year of Amazon KDP, is actually higher than I think my view duration normally is. So I'm pretty happy about that. Move over to audience. We can just look here a little bit. And it goes over which videos helped return your viewers, etc., everything like that. So let me go to revenue, and most of this is all going to be from watch page ads. I do have a member, which is awesome. I'm super thankful to have a member, and if any of you are interested in joining, please go ahead and check out the join button. It mostly is to support my channel and support what I'm doing here, since I don't have a ton of time to devote to the membership page. However, I plan to start doing some more with the membership page soon, and I don't plan on adjusting the price anytime soon either, but you do get priority replies and comments, and I really try to make sure I reply to your comment as soon as I can. I try to do that for everybody, but if you're a member, then I definitely will do my best to put you at the top of the list there and make sure your comment gets done. I do try to reply to everyone, but sometimes it takes me a few days. So moving on to all my revenue, I'm going to scroll down here. I'm still kind of getting over a cold, so I apologize if I still sound a little bit weird. And right now for October, this is my second highest month so far on YouTube. Of course, I'm really hoping to get to at least $500 a month or more on YouTube. I'd love to be making 4 figures on YouTube every month. So for September, I made $249.48, and then October $216.84. But before that, my first $100 month was August, $131.10. And then before that, I haven't made over $100. So I'm pretty happy with that. My RPM is up, which I think is a huge reason why I'm able to make more money right now, $11.86. And this video, of course, a realistic first year of Amazon KDP video has made the most money for this month. And then resize, my income report, how to start KDP, and how to create a budget planner, which is interesting. I think the RPM and CPM on that one is really high because it doesn't usually get a lot of views. So that's kind of cool. I really like seeing how the difference in RPM and CPM and views and everything like that, like how much they relate to each other, to how much money you actually make, if that makes sense. It's just really neat to try and figure out why this video has a higher RPM and CPM than this one, or why all of a sudden this video is starting to take off a little bit. Like, it's really neat to see the changes in everything. So going down here to how I actually make the money, again, most is watch page ads and membership shorts feeds, and then premium. If I hit see more, it should show me the YouTube premium amount, which is $2.20. I'm not entirely sure how I made money from YouTube premium, but I do, so I'm just gonna go with that. But overall, I'm pretty happy with all of this, and I hope that it's inspiring, because when I first started YouTube, I'll actually show you my current, let's go with my current lifetime, because it took me a little while to get monetized. So I started my YouTube channel back, it looks like January 20th, 2022 is when I first maybe opened it or posted a video, and I did not get monetized until November 7th, 2022. So it took me about 10 and a half months or so, I'm not sure if I'm doing that math correctly, but around 9 to 11 months to get monetized, which I think is actually faster than the average. I believe the average is a year and a half, but it felt like a while, because you're doing all this work, putting in all this time to make the videos, and you're not making AdSense from them. Of course, there's other ways to make money on YouTube, but I really, really wanted to get monetized on YouTube. So I started making money on November 7th, and I was only making around $1, less than $1. Like, I wasn't making a lot of money or anything like that. And then you can see around this time here, it started to just go up. And I still am not entirely sure what changed, because my views haven't had a drastic change or anything like that. But my RPM, like, I know my RPM and CPM have dramatically changed, but I don't know why. But I'm not going to argue it. I'm happy about it. And then my revenue started to go up, and I think my highest day so far is September 19th at $18.49, and then $18.11 September 25th. And I'm just super, super happy about all of this. I'm so thankful for all of you that watch my videos and help support my channel. And it's amazing to see this amount of revenue. I actually haven't looked at this lifetime or current lifetime in a while in the analytics. And currently I'm making $1,231 and $1,231.34. There we go, on YouTube. So to make over $1,000 on YouTube is just unbelievable. And that's not for just this year, but that's just really cool, and it's showing what videos make the most. So it's really cool to see that as well. If I go to just this year, I have made over $1,000 in this year. So that is really, really cool to see. And it can just take time. I mean, I started my channel January 2022. It's currently November 2023, and this is how much I'm making. And it's just gonna vary for everybody. So don't get discouraged. Keep going and just keep doing your best. And to see if this will show anything differently. But my views go up and down all the time, but it's been pretty level so far. So again, I'm pretty sure it's the RPM and CPM that have had the most dramatic change in my revenue. And I'm not entirely sure how all of that is calculated, but I'm really, really thankful for this additional income, and I'm thankful to all of you who support my channel and make this possible. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I really hope that you have a great day. And if you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to comment them below. So thank you again so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.